at the Santa Ana Trail Riverhead. Wait, we're at the Santa Ana River Trailhead. That's where we're at. Now, first things first, we need to figure out how to cross this river. How are we gonna do this without getting wet? I have a feeling we're getting wet. Walking right through the river. Guys down in the river. Alright, now here goes mommy. Time to get feet all wet. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Cold feet. Oh, cold feet, Scotty. Alright, we just started the trail. Already soaked feet. Brr, it's cold.
Good.
Here we are at the trailhead. Santa Ana River Trail. Time to go on a hike. You ready, dude? Yeah? Where you at? Hey, ready?
Ready?
So let's go for a hike.
Let's go hike.
Let's go
Where you
hike.
want to go? Want to go hiking?
Yeah?
Yeah? You lead the way.
All right.
Santa Ana River Trail it is.
Let's go, dude.
On our way back to the trailhead. Can't go too far with the little man. I mean, he is only 2.5. So we go for a little bit and then go back. Now we'll let him play in the water and enjoy the rest of the day getting dirty the way he loves.
We just woke up and Scott always puts out live traps under his truck so we don't get any mice or rats up in his truck because we've had that. And look what he caught this morning. A little baby chipmunk.
That's not a baby.
Oh, he's not a baby. But he's a little chipmunk.
He's not happy.
He's not happy, but he's a live trap so we didn't kill him or we let him free and he didn't get up in Daddy's truck. Alright, buddy. Go out. Hope you learned your lesson. No climbing up in trucks. Beautiful morning out here. Go let him out. No more climbing in trucks, little man. Check it out! We made it to the meadow. It's a bit of a hike, but we did it. Here's the big green meadow in the middle of the forest. Is that cool, dude? There's Daddy out there in the center, standing up. No, stay here. 'tis that time again. Packing up and headed home. We are out of here. So overall, I'd say we really liked this campground. Actually, I really liked it a lot. It is right near Big Bear, about 20-minute drive. This site is first come, first serve, which I've talked about. Beautiful pine trees, beautiful view. I'll turn it around so you can see again. Here's our camp we cleaned up. Big spots. Campground, tables, bear box, which we don't use. Campfire pit. I'd say the only downside is you can hear Highway 38 over there. I don't know if you can hear the cars driving by. But you can hear cars driving by. The other downside is there's a lot of black flies. There are a lot of red ants all over the place. Luckily, I am shocked that not one of us actually got bit by a red ant. So you can see one right here. Walking away. There he goes. They're all over here. There's some more red ants.
Luckily, nobody got bit.
I'm shocked. Scotty was rolling around in the dirt, in the mud. There's another pro is that there's water right there, so we easily were able to fill up. Another con is that people drive so fast through this campground. We have our little warning children at play, but that seems to not stop anyone. So pro, again, water. Con, there's no dump station or any hookups here. It is $25 a night, but there is a dump station down at Barton Flats, which is about a 5-10 minute drive down the road, so we'll stop there. It's $10 to dump, so we will dump our tanks there. But that's it. That's a wrap. We had a good time, and we will most likely be back here again to beat the heat. I mean, it was in the 70s. It actually got in the 80s, but it was in the 90s down the hill at home. So, all right, time to head out. We'll see you on the next trip.